guys, it's me, and today I'll be doing a get ready with me, except I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to play with makeup and talk, so here we are filming another pointless video. I just wanted to film like a chill back video, so I don't even know what look I want to do. I just wanted to play with makeup. So, you guys peep my tan line? Like, it's kind of ugly, kind of not. Do I want to prime my eyes? I'm not gonna wear it all day anyway, because we all know I'm gonna take it off after I film. So I think I'll prime it with like concealer. Okay. Well, I do have a lot of back to school videos that I'm planning to film and stuff. It's just like I don't want to like put all my focus on that, because one, I really don't want to think about school right now, and two, like I want to have fun filming. I mean, of course, like back to school videos are fun to film, but like I made myself coffee. Truthfully, like I don't really know how to act because I haven't filmed like a full back to school season series thing in a really long time. I don't know what palette I want to go in with. Let me look at my Morphe palette. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with the soft glam palettes. I'm gonna go in with orange soda. Yeah, this year I'm taking that's pigmented. Taking 3 APs, mainly because one of them I need it to graduate, but then the other ones I'm taking it because I'm interested in it and I feel like it would. I'm going to homecoming for the first time this year, and it's my last time too. So I'm planning to do those like Hoko get ready with me's because those are fun to watch and it's pretty cute. And you guys will notice I got like a baby camera. It's not a G7X. I can do so much more now that I have like a travel size camera, I guess. I don't even know what brush I want to use. I'm not a beauty guru, so like, okay, I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette now and just go in with like a bunch of like the orangey warm shades and make it more orange on my eyes, I guess. But yeah, like I'm excited for senior year. When is like my last year of high school, which is kind of sad. Actually, it is sad, then kind of exciting at the same time. I'm so freaking stressed right now. I'm so stressed right now because I'm already starting like college application stuff right now. I go back on September 4th, so I have a little bit under a month left of summer. I have AP work to do. I just need to do like my labs and stuff. For certain seniors, we have a science fair project to do, and I need to start on that because it's due on the first day. I have to do the journal entries, and like we have like 4 that's due on the first day. Also, I'm really liking these colors on my skin. I think I'm gonna try to do a halo eye of some sort, like a soft one. I don't want like a hard on glam one. Also, like the other day I spent like 3 hours on our ROTC stuff, and that was stressful. I've been liking textured hair more, especially during the summer. I don't know, I just think my straight hair looks so ugly during the summer, so I've been putting more texture in, I guess. Curls, I don't know why, for heat, like it doesn't last that long for me. Hey, look, you know those oh my god, my shoulder keeps cracking. What's it called? Those like flexi rods or something? Like those last forever on me. Okay, and now I think I'm gonna deepen just a little bit with like an orange brown color. I have these like pimples or something here, and I don't know where that came from. I think this one because I kept picking at it, and then this one, it just came out of nowhere. Burnt orange. I think I'm gonna seal the middle just a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna do eyeliner today because I'm really lazy. Doing eyeliner gives me breathing problems because I stop breathing when I do eyeliner. I'm gonna take my stay matte powder and set it. I want like an orangey yellow shimmer glitter kind of thing. I'm really feeling this one, but I'm scared it's too dark. So what I think I'm gonna do is mix the two. I'm gonna use this shimmery yellow shade. I'm gonna layer the orange one from the Yes Please palette on top. It's okay. The eye look is okay. So I'm gonna keep adding orange to where the places I put it before. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with like a brown now to deepen up the outer edges. Kind of quiet right now, and I'm just gonna do a bunch of touch-ups, and that's really boring, so I'm just gonna play some music. This is a bop right now. I almost dropped my phone. I've been dancing since I called you mine. I might do like a current playlist video. I don't know yet. This is all I can do for my eye look, and now I'm gonna do my lashes. Shoot, I don't have my lash curler. Hold up. I just curl my lashes, or whatever lashes I have, because I have short Asian lashes, so whatever lashes I have. I just got a new mascara. This one is the Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara, and I got it because your mom actually uses it and her lashes look really pretty. Not sponsored. Hope you guys can see this. Oh my god, the brush looks so weird. I've never seen a brush like this. This makes my lashes look good. I might just have to, I don't know, like marry it. Oh my god, I actually have lashes for once. So I recommend this. I think I'm just gonna use my MaybeMi Fit Me Concealer. This is my current favorite song. Okay, I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Okay, I'm just gonna powder my face now. Now I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Ow! Oh, I'm gonna put the extra eyeshadow under my eyes. I'm gonna use the Milani Baked brush. The Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. So pretty and like natural and glowy. What was that? As of lately, for highlighter, I've been really liking the combo this ColourPop highlighter in Lunch Money, and then the e.l.f. Baked highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. I almost said petals. And I just highlight the spots that you usually know. Now I'm just gonna layer on the e.l.f. highlighter on the same spots. If we were meant to be, we would have been by now. It just started in me, but you never came back to ask it out. If I could get to sleep, I would have slept by now. I forgot my lip gloss. So I think I am done. That is all for my get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want to see like a current playlist video. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe if you guys like me enough. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.